Alright, I got this one printing. Hopefully it starts okay. It's at a pretty fast speed. But anyway, we're using PLA, so it should do okay. Realistically, it's slow for this printer. I've got it printing at like 150 millimeters a second. It probably won't achieve that for the most part. Like right now, we can see we're at 20. The enders over here, this is set to print at 50, and then I don't know what this one's set to print at. This one's stringing a little bit, not too bad. We're almost done with the clear. It's 71% printed, so we should be okay. The only complaint with this thing is why didn't they put Wi-Fi in this damn thing? I've tried to hook it up over Ethernet, and it's kind of a pain because it's too far away from my computer. So yeah. And then the nice thing about the Solvable is that I can sit here and monitor everything on Clipper. It doesn't have a camera or anything like that, but I can put one on it if I want to. So anyway, I haven't done this much printing in a long time. You see what happens when you buy one of these damn things?